Hey guys, Chris right here. If you've ever watched any of my videos, you know that I love my TS-100 soldering iron. And who wouldn't? It's compact, portable, you can take it anywhere. Because you can take it anywhere, I decided I should probably make a case for it. So I 3D printed this. This is a pretty basic, just 3D printed case for my iron. It fits in here pretty well, but it's a little bit loose, as I'm sure you can hear. So this wasn't really cutting it for me. I started searching around online, and I found a lot of people using PVC pipe for a case, and originally I was going to do that, but it just didn't quite cut it for me. That's why I designed this. This is a genuine Japanese carbon fiber and 3D printed mahogany case for my TS-100. As you can see, there's virtually no play as it fits into this case. Now, inside of here, there is a rubber sleeve that protects the tip of the soldering iron, which also dampens any kind of vibration it might have. Once you have your soldering iron inside, all you do is take the cap, pop it on, and you're ready to go. Whenever you get to your job site, it's as simple as that. So, without further ado, let's roll the build video. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, make sure to hit that like button. If you want to see more projects like this, then make sure you get subscribed. If you guys want to build this yourself, you can check out the instructions on Instructables. Or if you guys want to buy one, it is available on my Etsy store. Anyways guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.